welcome back to my YouTube channel Gita Saraswati. In this video, we will learn about sequence and series. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, let's enjoy learning. Okay, first about sequence. A sequence is a sequence of members of the set based on a certain rule. Each member of the set is sorted in order of the first, second, and so on. To express the order or the n terms of a sequence, donate un. A sequence can also be defined as a function of natural numbers or a function whose domain is the set of natural numbers. Thus, un equals fn. You can see this function. Suppose un equals 2n plus 1, then the fourth term of the sequence is u4 equals 2 multiplied 4 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, the sum of the terms of a sequence is called a series. The summation of these terms can be made in the form of sigma. The sequence of the terms u1, u2, u3, blank 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 until un expressed in the function fn equals un has a series as u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus blank 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 until plus un equals sigma I equals 1 until n ui. Next, about arithmetic sequence. The definition of arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a line where the value of each term is obtained from the previous terms by addition or subtraction by a number p. The difference between the values of adjacent terms is always the same, namely b, so that un minus 1 equals b. For example, the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, the arithmetic line with the values b equals 9 minus 7 equals 7 minus 5 equals 5 minus 3 equals 3 minus 1 equals 2. To find out the value of the n term or an arithmetic sequence, it can be found by knowing the value of the key terms and the difference between adjacent terms. The following formula un equals uk plus n minus k multiplied b. If what is known is the value of the first term uk equals a and the difference between the terms, then the value of k equals 1 and the value of un are un equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. Next, about arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. The sum of the first terms of the n terms of the arithmetic sequence can be calculated as Sn equals u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus blank 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 until plus un, or as Sn equals a plus b plus a plus 2b plus blank 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 until plus a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. If it is known that the value of a is the first term and un is the value of the n term, then the arithmetic series value is Sn equals n divided 2 multiplied a plus un. For the example, find the 15 terms of 2, 6, 10, 14, blank blank blank. Also, determine the sum of the first 10 terms. The answer is, we know n equals 15, b equals 4, u1 equals a equals 2, so un equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. u15 equals 2 plus 15 minus 1 multiplied 4. Then operated to produce u15 equals 58. Then Sn equals n divided 2 multiplied a plus un equals n divided 2 multiplied a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. Sn equals 10 divided 2 multiplied 2 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied 4. then operated to produce S10 equals 200. So the 15th terms of 2, 6, 10, 14 blank 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 is 58, and the sum of the first 10 terms is 200. Next, about geometry sequence. The definition of geometry sequence. A geometry sequence is a sequence in which the value of each term is obtained from the previous term by multiplying by a number r. The ratio between the value of the terms and the value of the previous term, which is close to each other, is always the same, namely r. So that un divide un minus 1 equals r. For example, rows 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 are geometry rows with values r equals 16 divide 8 equals 8 divide 4 equals 4 divide 2 equals 2 divide 1 equals 2. To find out the value of the n terms of a geometric sequence, it can be found by knowing the value of the k terms and the ratio between adjacent terms. The formula is as follows: un equals uk multiplied r to the n minus k power. If what is known the value of the first term uk equals a and the ratio between the terms, then the value of k equals 1 and the value of un equals a multiplied r to the n minus 1 power. Next, about geometry series. The definition of geometry series. A geometry series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. The sum of the first term to the n terms of the geometric sequence can be calculated as Sn equals u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus blank 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 until plus un, or as Sn equals a plus ar square plus blank 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 until plus ar to the n minus 1 power. If only known that the value of a is the first term and the value of un is the n terms, then the geometric series value is Sn equals a multiplied 1 minus r to the n power divide 1 minus r, with condition r is more than 0 and less than 1, or Sn equals a multiplied r to the n power minus 1 divide r minus 1, with the condition r more than 1. Okay, for the example, find the 6 terms of 2, 6, 18, blank blank blank, and also determine the sum of the first 6 terms. The answer is, we know a equals 2, r equals 3, so un equals a multiplied r to the n minus 1 power. u6 equals 2 multiplied 3 to the 6 minus 1 power, then operated to produce u6 equals 486. Because r is more than 1, so Sn equals a multiplied r to the n power minus 1 divide r minus 1. S6 equals 2 multiplied 3 to the 6 power minus 1 divide 3 minus 1. Then operated to produce S6 equals 728. So the 6 terms of 2, 6, 18, blank 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 is 486. And the sum of the first 6 terms is 728. Okay, that's all about sequence and series. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye!